With the ESI 45 SIP phone, you have the ability to transfer a call to another extension or phone number. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to place a call from a cell phone to the 45. Okay. Now once this call is connected, I press transfer, and then I enter the extension, in this case, that I want it to go to, which is 2112, and then pound. Once I hit pound and I hang up, the call transfers. I don't have to wait. And then my cell phone, which is the original caller, is now ringing the extension 2112 that I transferred this to. Once extension 2112 picks up, this call will be connected. So I know there's no one at extension 2112, so I'm just going to disconnect. So let's try that again, but in a different way. So let's place another call to the system. And this time, instead of punching the numbers in through the dial pad, we're going to use a pre-programmed key. That's one of the extensions. Okay, punching in the number. All right, so again, I answer the call, and this time I do transfer, and then I'm going to send it off to Eddie, which is dialing that, and all I have to do is hang up. And then once again, the caller, which is from the cell phone, is now ringing Eddie, and as soon as Eddie picks up, they'll be connected. Again, I know Eddie's not there, so I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect.